Using these substitutions, we will solve some examples. See next. Find the derivative of function y is equal to f of x using the derivative of inverse function x is equal to f inverse of y in the following function. We know that when y is equal to f of x is the function y is equal to, when y is equal to f of x is a differentiable function of x and x is equal to f inverse of y exists, then dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx by dy or vice versa. Then y is equal to log of x upon 2 to the base 2. First of all, we have to use rules of logarithm. Rules of logarithm says that log of a upon b is equal to log a minus log b. Using this rule, we get log x to the base 2 minus log 2 to the base 2. But log 2 to the base 2 is equal to 1. And by change of base rule of logarithm, this can be written as, this is log x to the base 2 is equal to log x upon log 2. That means we get log x upon log 2 minus 1. Y is equal. Therefore, y plus 1 is equal to log x to the base 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 raised to y plus 1. Now differentiate this function respect to y. Dx upon dy is equal to dy of 2 raised to y plus 1 is equal to 2 raised to y plus 1 into log 2 into dy of y plus 1 is equal to 2 raised to y plus 1 into log y. Here y plus 1 constant, so its derivative is 0, and y, derivative of y with respect to y is 1. So our answer is, final answer, 2 raised to y plus 1 into log y is the final answer. Dy. This is the final answer. Next one, find the derivative of inverse function of the following. Here y is equal to x into 7 raised to x. We can't convert this function in terms of x is equal to f of y. So here we will use directly dx by dy is equal to 1 upon dy by dx. That means first we have to find dy by dx. Differentiate y is equal to x into 7 raised to x. This is of the form u into v. That means we have to use product rule of the derivative, differentiating with respect to x. LHS dy by dx is equal to x into derivative of 7 raised to x. Now keep 7 raised to x constant and derivative of x. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1 and derivative of 7 raised to x is 7 raised to x into log 7 plus 7 raised to x into 1. That means from both the term, we can take 7 raised to x common. In bracket, we get x into log 7 plus 1. This is our dy by dx. And by derivative of inverse function, by dy is equal to 1 upon dy by dx. So it is equal to 1 upon 7 raised to x into x log 7 plus 1 is the answer. We can convert this in terms of x and y also. This is nothing but 1 upon x into 7 raised to x into log 7 plus 7 raised to x. But x into 7 raised to x is nothing but y. And just 7 raised to x can be written as y upon x. So it is equal to 1 upon y into log 7 plus y upon x. That is equal to x upon xy log 7 plus y. This is dx by dy. Understood this much? Shreyas, have you understood this? कुछ स्टेप समझ ली नहीं है? संपूर्ण समजलं नाहीये. अरे तू बोललास तर समजणार मला, तुला काय समजले नाही ते? हो मग कुठची स्टेप समजली नाही?
इनवर्स नंतर मग
इथपर्यंत समजलंय तुला? ह्या प्रोडक्ट रूल जो वापरलाय तो?
हो हो.
त्याच्यानंतर 7 raised to x. This is of the form a raised to x. A raised to x. And derivative of a raised to x is equal to a raised to x into log a. Here a is equal to 7. So our derivative of 7 raised to x is 7 raised to x into log 7. And derivative of x is 1. Now 7 raised to x is common. We can take outside. So it is 7 raised to x into log 7 plus 1. Now by derivative of inverse function, when y is equal to f of x and x is equal to f inverse of y, then we write dx by dy is equal to 1 upon dy by dx. म्हणजे ही जी dy by dx ची टर्म आलेली आहे ती फक्त आपण डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये घेणार. हे जरी तू पुढे सिम्प्लिफाय नाही केलंस तरी चालेल. इथपर्यंत तरी समजलंय?
हो.
हा ठीक आहे. मग नेक्स्ट वन. Here we have to find inverse derivative of inverse function and at x is equal to 2. Here y is equal to sine of x minus 2 plus x square. This is of the form u plus v. That means we have to use addition rule of derivative. Differentiate this function with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to d by dx of sine x minus 2 plus d by dx of x square. Tell me derivative of x square.
2x.
2x, correct. Good. And here outside function is
Sine.
sine, and inside function is x
X.
minus 2. Derivative of outside function is
Sine derivative cos.
cos, correct. Cos x minus 2. First of all, we will keep angle as it is into derivative of inside function. Inside function is x minus 2. Again, two constants, so its derivative is 0.
0.
And derivative of x is
1.
1. So our final answer, cos x minus 2
minus 2
plus 2x is our dy by dx. But we have to find inverse derivative of inverse function. That means we have to find dx by dy. Therefore, dx by dy is equal to काय येणार सांग? 1 upon dy by
cos.
dy by dx. आता इथे dy by dx ची व्हॅल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट कर. Cos x minus 2 plus 2x. And where to find derivative at x is equal to 2. Substitute x is equal to 2. At x is equal to 2 is equal to 1 upon cos in bracket 2 minus 2 plus 2 into 2, because x is equal to 2. 2 minus 2, 0. That means is equal to 1 upon cos 0 plus 4. Cos 0 is equal to
1.
1. Correct. Good. That means our answer is 1 upon 5. Because cos 0, 1 plus 4, 5. That means dy by dx when x is equal to 2 is 1 upon 5. हे समजलंय? Next one. Using derivative, prove that tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x is equal to pi by 2. Here we will consider f of x is equal to tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x. That means we have to prove f of x is equal to pi by 2. This we have to prove. First of all, we will differentiate this function with respect to x, and we will prove that f dash of x is equal to 0 at x is equal to pi by 2. Differentiating with respect to x. LHS f dash of x is equal to d by dx of tan inverse of x. Tan inverse x derivative 1 upon 1 plus x square. And derivative of cot inverse x is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. That means is equal to 0. That means first derivative of f of x is 0. Therefore, f of x must be constant. F of x is equal to c, constant, where c is constant. Okay. Therefore, now take x is equal to 0. We will take x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. We can take any value actually. Here we will take x is equal to 1. Tan inverse of 1 plus cot inverse of 1 is equal to c. Tell me what is the value of tan inverse of 1? for which angle tan value is 1? Pi by 4. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is equal to C. Therefore, 2 pi by 4 is equal to C. That means pi by 2. We get value of C, pi by 2. Therefore, f of x is equal to pi by 2. That means tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x is equal to pi by 2. Have you understood it?
Yes.
Okay, good. Next one. Cosec inverse of e raised to minus x. Here we have to differentiate directly. This is inverse function, inverse composite function. That means we have to use both the rules, derivative of inverse function and derivative of composite function also. Here outside function is cosec inverse x and inside function is e raised to minus x. Y is equal to cosec inverse of e raised to minus x. Differentiate this function with respect to x. With respect to x. LHS dy by dx is equal to d by dx of cosec inverse of e raised to minus x. Here outside function is cosec inverse x and derivative of cosec inverse x is, if function is cosec inverse x, then its derivative is minus 1 upon x upon x into root of x square minus 1. Here instead of x, e raised to minus x is present. That means e raised to minus x into root of e raised to minus x bracket square minus 1 into, now inside function is e raised to minus x. Take derivative of that term, e raised to minus x is equal to minus 1, this term as it is, minus 1 upon e raised to minus x into root of e raised to minus x bracket square minus 1 into derivative of e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x into d by dx of minus x. What will be the derivative of minus x? Minus sign constant outside of derivative, and now derivative of x is 1. So derivative of minus x is minus 1. So final answer dy by dx is equal to minus into minus plus e raised to minus x upon e raised to minus x into root of e raised to minus 2x minus 1. This e raised to minus x gets cancelled. So we get answer 1 upon root of e raised to minus 2x minus 1 dy by dx. This is our final answer. Okay. Y is equal to cos cube of cos inverse of x cube. First of all, we will simplify this term. Y is equal to cos cube of cos inverse of cos inverse of x cube. That means this term is equal to cos of cos inverse of x cube bracket cube. आता हे एक्झाम्पल तुला बघताना खूप कठीण वाटत होत असेल, पण किती सिम्प्लिफाय एक्झाम्पल होतं बघा. न cos of cos inverse. Cos of cos inverse x is equal to only x. That means we get this term only, x cube bracket cube, which is equal to x raised to 9. Now differentiate this term. Differentiating with respect to x. LHS dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x raised to 9. What will be the derivative of x raised to 9? 9 म्हणजेच 8. समजलंय?
हो.